Honestly, it's kind of exciting to see how it will turn up. The weather is so bad. We have kind of mixed feelings because we are not too sure what to expect in some days. But yeah, $1 per day is kind of worth it. First day is on. Let's go for our first stop. Okay, so basically my first experience was the most traumatized thing I probably had in my entire life. I'm kind of scared. I was very lucky I didn't eat anything, but well, anyways, we have the insurance. Driving all the way the opposite I'm used to, so it's, man, it's so weird, but I'll get used to. Woo! Jesus Christ. We're gonna buy some food and some accessories to the car to our first stop, which is Sunshine Coast. So basically, before going to a van, make sure you buy some of these things just in case you don't have a good connection. And Dinesh told me to tell you this because you smell bad from your mouth. So yeah, take this and the breath thing.
And these for charge.
And this for charging as well if you don't have it. Well, I know you can't see me properly, but we just arrived to Sunshine Coast. We are trying to explore a little bit, but it's getting late right now. It's just 6 o'clock, so it's getting a little bit dark, as you can see. We are gonna try to find something to eat. And well, this is the first stop, Sunshine Coast. I will show you probably better tomorrow. So for you, it's in a few seconds. For me, it's tomorrow. Well, it's looking kind of cozy, but supposedly should take 5 minutes. It took like 25. It's going well, but it's going well. Progress. Well, without exaggerating, you can see 25 minutes after we finally did it. Kind of looks very cozy. First night here. Awesome. I just want to say we are learning, we are trying our best, okay? So yeah, I think it's the bed for the night. It cost us $1 this night, so I really can't claim it. And tomorrow you'll see where we are. You will see me in some seconds. I will see you tomorrow morning. Okay, so good morning. The weather is like this, as you can see. Bruh. But it's day 2, and now I can tell you right away where we're going. We are heading to Noosa, and we are trying to see the most we can today, even with this weather. I can't show you drone videos because, well, I can't use the drone in these conditions, but we are gonna try to show you the most we can because Noosa is one of the best places to visit when you are in a road trip with a van. So we are heading there. We are very close right now because we are in the middle of Sunshine Coast and Noosa, so it's around, I think, 20 minutes. We are gonna try to find like a place where we can have some drinks or a coffee, wash our teeth, and continue our trip. Now it's time for a coffee. Well guys, as you can see already, we had the shower. The shower was awesome, man. Thank you so much to Paulo and to Sarah. You are awesome. We found some Portuguese people here on the road. We talked with them in WhatsApp and we met them here in, if I'm not wrong, in Noosa Civic. And they have some public showers here which are awesome. They are hot, man. We couldn't ask for more. It's the day 2 and it doesn't look very well. The weather is very bad, and I don't think we will be able to see anything today, so I think we will probably travel a little bit more because we still have 18 hours to do. So this series don't start very well, but for sure, and I hope the next episode will be good because the weather will be better in 2 days from now. I have a lot of things to record to you, to show you, and that's why I bought the drone. I have to thank a lot to Alexandre Cadet for the donation, Paulo Paiva dos Santos, and of course, as always, to my brother. My brother is one of the most important persons in the world for me. Thank you so much for borrowing me so money because, well, it helped me a lot, and I really thank you a lot for that one. So you know how important for me you are, so thank you so much. Let's continue on today. I think it's a road trip day because the weather is not looking good. Let's go. With this weather, it's kind of hard to find a place to visit, to show you. Anyways, we are still in Noosa and we are going to the ferry pools, if I'm not wrong. and we are gonna try to see or to show you as much as we can, because we are not too sure if we will be able to see anything, but at least we'll try, because the day today is not, well, not the best. Well, we just arrived to Agnes water. It was a crazy trip until here. At least we have done around 500 kilometers for now. And it's crazy how crazy this trip was until here. It was like raining like crazy. The road was not the best. We had some frogs in the street, like thousands of them. I was I was so scared, honestly. Hopefully we have some better weather than today, because today the weather was crazy, and I will be able to show you drone images of these amazing places, because I can't put my drone in the air if we have this kind of weather. So let's hope tomorrow will get better. But for now, day 2 is completed, and I will see you tomorrow morning as usual in this 6 days road trip for $1 per day. See you tomorrow.